everybody, Artistic Flair here, back with another drawing tutorial video. Today I'm giving you a step-by-step demonstration on how to draw Chibi Deadpool. Let's begin. We're gonna start by adding in the guidelines for the body. The eyes that are kind of shaped like a smile. Give him angry eyebrows. Now we're gonna add in the diamond-shaped mask piece and a line for the nose. Draw in his head. And the little neck piece. Next, we're gonna draw in the sword strap. Adding in the details to the suit. Adding his belt. Don't forget the extra details on his belt. Now we're gonna draw his arms and add in like little glove details. I decided to give him a chimichanga for his right hand. Now you guys can add in the chimichanga if you'd like or not. Now we're gonna draw his legs and boots and then add in the finishing details to the image. And that's pretty much it to drawing Chibi Deadpool. From this point on, I'll just be inking and coloring. And I'll talk to you guys at the end. Thank you all for watching this video. If you guys enjoy tutorials or learned something from this video, be sure to give this video a like. It lets me know you like content like this. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing over to the channel and get notified on any upcoming content. As always, stay creative. Bye!